Hello, I'm Martin White. I'm here at Aquatech Amsterdam at the Chung Ho Nay and microfilter stand with Jim Redford, who is the MD of H2O Direct. So Jim, what's the focus for H2O Direct at this show?
The focus mainly is our 10th anniversary this year of H2O Direct, and we're also here to launch the new range of variable head IN range of filters. Right,
okay. So what's the newest product out of this range here? Because we've got a pretty strong selection here.
We had already the variable head IN 6000 filter here, but we now have the 1500, the 3000 and the 9000 litre filters. We've got all our full range now is variable head filters as well.
And what are the benefits of variable head filters compared to sort of your standard?
The variable head filters enable us to alter the input and output of the water in a bypass situation, so you can change the percentage of the bypass. This can help you to change the taste of the water and help to make sure you don't get acidic water. Acidic water is around about 6 pH, so we want to try and keep it above that wherever possible.
Okay, so consumers nowadays seem to be increasingly sort of picky about the sort of quality of the products which they consume. So do you think that that means that solutions like a variable head filter are increasingly necessary for companies in the coffee and vending industries?
Yes, for sure, because we believe that, especially with traditional coffee machines, that you need to be able to alter the taste of the coffee by using the pH of the water. And this is down to sometimes baristas or just down to the taste of the general public, how they actually want it. And this enables us to do that.
And so obviously the sort of pH of water can differ depending on region or country. Do these sort of solutions help you to adjust and create the optimum conditions for high quality products wherever in the world you are?
Yes, because if the pH of the water is low, you need to be able to give it more of a bypass on the filter. These filters enable that, and the bypass means you can bring the pH back up, making the taste of the drinks far better.
Okay, so what else are you showcasing at the show beyond the variable head filter range?
We also have our new FX range of filters for nanofiltration with high capacity and high flow, which means we've got quite a lot for everything really. Removing all plastics and hormones and things like this. So we've got a big range coming in, and including our new RO range for Europe as well.
Fantastic. Is the demand for sort of solutions which offer higher flow rates increasing in your eyes as well?
Yeah, because you don't want to be changing the filters all the time. We need to try and make the filters last as long as possible and remove as much as possible. So this is what customer demand is actually coming to us. Okay.
What would you say are the sort of key growth areas for you business-wise? Would it be the European market or the UK or further afield?
Yeah. The UK market is flourishing, especially with the new range of the filters for the coffee vending industry. But we've seen to Europe now, we're tending to go with RO and nanofiltration, and that's what a lot of people want now. With the issue of plastics in water, although minimal in some places, they all want to be taking everything out of the water. So the growth is going to be in those areas.
Okay, and obviously with solutions like this, you can also sort of retain the quality taste of those products. And I know that we see that while removing pathogens is increasingly important, especially with degrading water infrastructure. Yeah. Do you think that it's having those sorts of combined solutions can sort of offer a tailored solution wherever you are in the world to creating high quality, safe products for consumption?
Yeah, one of the main things about Chung Ho Nay and microfilter is the fact they want to make sure the water quality is its highest. So they got a solution virtually for everything. So wherever you are, we can find a solution for you.
So you're celebrating the 10 years, as you mentioned. So how exactly exciting have the last 10 years been for you in terms of growth, and especially the last year?
Yeah, well, the last 10 years have been exciting. We've learned a hell of a lot. When you start out into this business, it's something that's quite daunting. You don't know which is the right product you want to have, but the product development has been very good with microfilter. They've listened to us. They've grown the new filters like the IN ranges, and now the next year and a half, or the last year and a half, and actually it's been very, very big for us with this range. The next probably 2 years are going to be even bigger. We've got a lot more stuff coming.
Can you give us a sneak peek of anything that's coming, or is that under wraps at the moment?
Wraps at the moment, but you watch this space. It will be coming.
Fantastic. Jim, thanks very much for joining me.
Thank you.